It's Mission Gummy Bear. It's Mission Gummy Bear.
It's Mission Peggy.
It's Mission Grania. Fáilte go dtí déanach bheag.
But we're all into Tartan tourist goodie on Tra in Gorblis.
Lanaride!
Lanaride!
Fáilte go dtí Corblis.
It's Mission Peggy.
Agus is Mission Grania. Tá sé curvastí. Tá much look.
You're cracking.
Kid stuff. Club Golf Corblis.
Okay, Cole.
Is Gandhi a Club Golf Chrissy in Downabrow?
Tuggy Small. Coig Kate. Marvel.
Tá níos álaíonn é nuair a bhíonn an Green ag tá.
Why you had to hide away for so long? Where did we go wrong? Mr. Blue Sky, please tell us why you had to hide away for so long. Where did we go wrong? Sky, please tell us why you had to hide away for so long. Where did we go wrong?
Oh, Mr. Pitt, Mr. Pitiful, who let you down? Who let you down? Who let you down? You still don't believe, and your grievances show when your soapbox unfolds. But please come down from that cloud you're sitting on. I don't expect you to admit that you were wrong. Just wanna know how you feel. It don't make me feel bad that we're still friends. Rolling it over in my bed. I hope that you see through your picket. I hope that you see through your big yard and white picket fence to make amends and still be friends, still be my friend. So where did you go? Where did you go? Where did you go while I was out? While I was out, while I was out. Well, I don't believe everything I see. And if you don't like the movie,
It's Tommy, come on! Tommy, it's
Spread I'm done about her freshen.
Who make it down from? Tá sé tá. Ja sé tá seo. Má nach go dúir le síl.
Big negative on divorce. What's your more? Script.
There's no combination of words I could put on the back of a postcard. No song that I could sing, but I can try for your heart. Our dreams, and they are made out of real things, like a shoebox of photographs with sepia tone.
Mummy did A-Stock with Laura Connor. I'll show you around. Oh, tá officer. Carter Waffle. What? I'm Scaloga. Waffle Scaloga. Fashion.
Real things, like a shoebox of photographs with sepia tone. What was the answer, at least, for most of the questions in my heart? Like, why are we here and where do we go? And how come it's so hard? It's not always easy, and sometimes life can be deceiving. I'll tell you one thing, it's always better when we're together.
Díad gan stáú Tá mí go of mágad.
Táid ag déanamh fish an beag faoi gan bhacht agus bhhaing agla a bóras más ruí nach bhfuil sé bhádra bródraid.
Cap golóir a cliv, níl sé ró tropolódach, bhhail an caint cliv, don fish an seo mar jaall GD.
Tá.
An bhfuil down bete in some commórtas sin fós.
Tá. Cad fan is.
Red grass is anything.
Cé é déanamh tá Tony bóda.
Tá mé carballas níos mó ná pe go bliain.
A más an áitseo.
Is bailile an áitseo. Ó, mar tá sé cóngracht an trá, agus tá sé cóngracht an cuasa golf, agus is áid deas ciún é.
Am áithne a go faoi star an dan bhacht.
Níl mór an aithne go mar star down ó bat, ach táis go mar jaall teach Newbridge, teach éiste sé é, hí clán camp ina cónaí ann le blianta agus le blianta, ach is páirt poblí, mór poblí é inis.
Can is the dagger an cancer go é seanlaide?
Ó dachar sé go mór. Tá bad níos mó tíoc san áit níos, tá olbar a gcuin, tá siúpanna, tá bad níos mó siúpanna, tá trín ó ceathar scoilin an nua, tá a stán mór álainn a gcuin, cos isce a tuachtar agus tagan an bus chudí an ceantar níos, níor tháinig sé an sna seanléitheanta in sin é.
Ábharlín cá bhórtú do chuid gailge.
Ó, rugad mé agus cúd mé ar scoil in íorfa Corcaí. Laura mar chuid mó gailge sa scoil sin. Rinne mar beag ná ach ábhar trí gailge, maths, tíreolaíocht, star, agus Laura mar an gailge sa clós agus ag siúl agus ag súgra. Bhí sé mór a bhain sa teanga. Nuair bhí mé anna óg, bhí sé mór ag gach duine sa scoil san gailge, san bliain sa
Léan an bhfuil an anhhailge ar níodir dan bhacht.
Má gailge bhíh, ach níl sé cóilíofa a bhíh agus bhí sé ag mise nuair bhí mé óg. Ach mar sin féin, tá sé ag baint drown as, agus ag déanamh iarracht mór é a labhart, agus maithsú sé, tá sé gan ó.
Gurmí amach.
Ó tá fáilte róh, go maithsús an obair agus laur cúpla focaí gailge gach laur. Slán le, chalíní macha, slán.
It's Mission Gummy Bear. It's Mission Gummy Bear. Oh, it's Mission Gummy Bear. Smith, you Charles Peter. Lovely in the jelly room. It's Mission Gummy Bear. Oh, it's Gummy Bear. Mayhead does it. There's a ring.
Script.
you can hide me there. Green mouse and Tom and Blaster.